Alright, I'm 29 weeks. He's got the hiccups. You can kind of see it in my belly.
I don't want to sound like it's full of formal, but it took me back away.
So we can get him to move around a little bit.
To say that there was a treat, but it isn't.
Big hiccups tonight.
That was a gift.
Look at me. I can tell I'm pink. My mouth hurts from smiling.
Ooh.
That was just absolutely amazing.
Kicking mommy in the bladder right now. Don't think he likes hiccups so much.
You get a cake, and you get a cake.
An alien in my tummy.
Jeff had to leave to go to Chicago, so Eric and I are just finishing up here.
The banjo cake was beautiful and amazing. It was just total A+, 4 stars. Jeff did an amazing job. We are en route to Rams Head Live in downtown Baltimore for the sold-out Avett Brothers show. Eric and I got it in this sort of like little green room. And they were so thrilled. They just loved it. That makes your mouth kind of silver.
Really?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's okay.
I mean, it's edible. I'm just saying.
So what's up, y'all?
They were really thrilled. And the other really awesome part was that they were very anxious to eat it, which I think is so great. Like, get a knife. Nice. Well done.
Alright. Bye, baby.